My bolognaise bake served with heritage tomato and burrata salad. The pasta sauce is simple. Fry off onion, celery and a crushed clove of garlic.
The aim at this stage is just to soften it a bit.
Once the vegetables have done that, throw in 675 grams of good minced beef.
And you want a really high heat because I want to brown it a bit.
Then add tomato puree, red currant jelly and 2 tins of chopped tomatoes.
Canned tomatoes are quite acidic, and if you add just a little bit of red currant jelly, it just brings out the flavour.
A good shake of Worcester sauce and 500 ml of rich beef stock.
I'm going to turn that right down so it's cooking very slowly and it'll be tender in 30 minutes.
While the sauce bubbles away, fry 250 grams of mushrooms in butter.
I find that a very quick fry, you get a much better flavour. If I just tip them in with the bolognese, they just get a bit soggy.
After half an hour, the sauce will be ready. Some chopped fresh thyme and the buttery mushrooms will bring it all together.
That smells simply wonderful.
Now to turn the bolognese into a heartwarming bake. Just add 225 grams of cooked penne and give it a good mix.
That looks perfect. Now I'm going to tip it into the dish.
Finish with a mixture of cheddar and parmesan for a cheesy topping. Just bake for about 25 minutes at 180 fan. To show off that wonderful burrata cheese, I've surrounded it with lots of colourful heritage tomatoes.
And I'm going to make a simple dressing, Bloody Mary.
4 tablespoons of olive oil, a shake of celery salt, dash of Tabasco, 75 ml of tomato juice, a teaspoon of Worcester sauce, and 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar.
Depending on what sort of gathering it is, you could always add a little bit of vodka to this. I can think of a few parties that it would go well.
Just drizzle over the salad and finish with some fresh basil leaves. Now it's all about the bake.
I tell you, it looks amazing. It's crispy brown on top, and underneath it'll be soft with the sauce. Let's have a look. I think that looks wonderful. I can't think of anything I'll enjoy more with family on a weekday than this wonderful pasta bake.